Live like we loco. Visa, I'm heading to South Flow. I'm gonna sell some veggie and kong. Millionaire fake, Acapulco. Yeah, we a live like Messi and Ronaldo. Boom, no more broke like that's a no-no. Yeah, we a drink and live like we loco. Visa, I'm heading to South Flow. I'm gonna sell some veggie and kong. Millionaire fake, Acapulco. Yeah, we a live like Messi and Ronaldo.
Yes, my people. The general have leave the UK, you know. General have left out of the UK and now heading to Guyana. You understand, my people? And a them thing I will like see. You see me? Them thing I will like see. You see me? Yeah, man. Long time we are preach and I hope and I pray for this. And it finally happened. You understand? So like that. You see me? Yes, man. The general deserve every bit of success right now. You understand? Yeah, man. Right now, you don't know some people, artists there, and we have to go on the update for what go on. You see me? Yeah, man. A more blessing, long life, and prosperity for everybody. You see me? Yes, man. Don't forget.
Problem. I want to be a political advisor. Me tell the idiot them what them fi do, and them go do what them fi do. No more broke like that's a no-no. Yeah, we a drink and live like we loco. Visa, I'm heading to South Flow. I'm gonna sell some veggie and kong. Millionaire fake, Acapulco. Yeah, we a live like Messi and Ronaldo.